Hello friends, I'm from Regrov.com, India's leading tech-enabled real estate brokerage firm, and today we are visiting at Swastik Mena project. It is a under construction residential development located in Picnic Garden, Kolkata. This is the lane from which we entered. The left of the lane goes to VIP Bazaar and the right of the lane goes to Bondal Road. So here you can see this is the whole surrounding. The possession of the project will be available by November 2018. This is a single tower project having G+4 structure and total 15 units. This will going to be the area for covered parking. This project offers 2 and 3 BHK apartments and will provide facilities like freehold land, aesthetically designed entrance and lobby, car wash, personalized mailbox, housing loan facility and captive power supply and many more. So thank you friends for watching this video. For more real estate updates, kindly subscribe to our channel, and for booking, call us at the given number. Thank you.